Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project image to text reader, and you can say OCR implementation. And I have developed this project in Python, Django, and MySQL. I have used many of the machine learning libraries in this project for reading the text from the images, right? So for Python, I am using the Python version 3.7, Django version is 2, and many of the libraries I have used. So I will provide the requirements.txt where you will get all of the libraries lists, right? And for connecting the MySQL with the Python and Django, I'm using the MySQL Python connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. Even you can install the Python MySQL connector using the pip, right? Also, now for interface, I have used the Django. Means Django is the web development framework, and I have used Django for implementing the web interfaces, right? And for front end development, I have used HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also I have used, like you are seeing there is a slider running on the home page, so I have implemented it with the jQuery sliders, right? For calendars, I have used the jQuery plugins. For validations, I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So for many of the things, I have used jQuery plugins, right? Which is normally, you can say, performing operations on the client side. So I have used the jQuery plugins for that, right? So let's start with the project functionalities go through. So the project title is image to text reader, you can say, also the OCR implementation, and it's a machine learning artificial intelligence type of project where you can upload the image which will contain some of the text, and after that the system will be capable to read the text from the image, and it will print the text on the web page, right? So this is the main objective of this project, right? So you will be able to upload any of the text, means the computer written text, and after that the system will be able to read the text from the uh, image, and it will print, right? So let's start. So this is the home page of the project. You can see this is a simple, sober, and very good home page. And it's a bootstrap theme, means it's a responsive. So if you open this project in mobile app, or you can say a tab, then the UI will not be distorted, it will be fit according to the screen size, right? So this is the home page of the project, and there is nothing dynamic on this home page. This is a about project, right? So it's about the project. So if you want to change the content of this about us, about page project, then you can do it from the about.html, which is available inside the templates folder. This is a login page from where admin will be able to log in, and he will be able to upload the file, and and the system will read the text from the image, and it will show, right? This is a contact us, and it's a static contact us page. I'm not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database, right? So it's the static contact us page. Even I'm not sending any type of email and SMS from this page, right? So let's start with the login. So once you log in inside the system, right, then this is the admin dashboard, and you can see there is 5 options here. So admin can upload the files, admin can see the files report, admin can see the my account section, change password, and the logout. So let me go through one by one. So one, upload files. So this upload file section, you will be able to upload that image which will contain the text, and after that the system will read the text from the, you can say, uh, read the text from the image, and it will print, right? So let me so it will convert the text at the runtime, right? So it's a testing sample file, and after that you can see, so I have added some of the samples here. This one, this is sample one. So this is a sample one image, and this is a testing sample one image, right? So let's see what happens. So I have uploaded sample one image, and once you submit it, then you can see this is the image file. You can see this is the image file, and this is saying that this is a normal text, and this is some random text here, and this is the text. So the system is reading text from the image, and it's printing here. You can copy and paste the text, right? But you can't copy the text from here, right? So this is a normal line, right? Now let me go through another file, right? So sample file 2, and I'm choosing the sample 2 image. This is sample 2, and once you upload it, then let's see what happened. So this is the image file, right? So you can see this is the image file, right? And it's reading, means the system is reading text from this file and it's showing it here, right? You can copy paste. So this is the first line of this text example and this is the second line of same text, right? So you can see this is the image and the system is reading text from the image and it's printing here, right? So let me go through with another file which has a lot of data. So I have taken the snapshot of the Wikipedia. So that's Wikipedia image, right? So let's see, this is a sample 3 image, right? So once you submit it, then let's see what happened, right? So all the formats are in the png, right? So you can see this is the image and it contains a lot of text here, right? And you can see, so there is a slider here, right? So from Wikipedia the free encyclopedia, the from Wikipedia the free encyclopedia Bombay redacts here for the usage. You can see, right, some of the text is not readable, like this one Mumbai, then it's saying that it's disambiguous, that's why it's not reading, right? And rest you can read all of the data here, and this is in the copy paste format. You can copy the text and paste it also, right? So the algorithms, the system is reading data from the image and it's printing here, and after that you can do anything from that text. It's a OCR type of system, right? Okay, so I have already shown you 3 types of example here, right? So for complex image it's reading the data and it's working well also, right? So this is the all files, uploaded files, so it will contain all of the uploaded files which you have uploaded here, right? You can see, and if you want to see the data, then just click on the view data and you will be able to see the data here, right? So you can see view data and you will be able to see the data here, right? So this is the upload image file for uploading the new image. This is all uploaded files for all of the uploaded files. This is a my account section from where you will be able to update your account details, right? And this is a change password from where you will be able to change your password, and the logout functionality. Once you log out from the system, then above menu will not be displayed, right? Because it's a session driven and the system checks that user is login or not. If user is not login, then it will render a different menu, but if user is login, then it will render a different menu. Let me show you. So log out, so you can see the administration menu is not displaying, but if you log inside the system, the above administration menu is displaying, right? Okay, so this all functionality I have developed inside this project image to text reader. And as I told you earlier, this is a Python, Django and MySQL project, and I have used machine learning and artificial libraries for reading the text from the images, right? So if you need more functionality of this project, then inside this project, then just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more better and better according to our requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.